Hi! After a long gap, this channel came back again. From now, I am going to upload videos within regular interval, so please stay tuned to my channel. I am Halal, and you are watching Elkan Pandua. Today, I am going to show you the real use of microcontroller. Actually, a microcontroller is nothing but an electronic device that performs various tasks like the brain of a human being to make an automated instrument. From space research laboratory to a toy development industry, microcontroller plays the most dominant role. There are several blocks inside a microcontroller to perform different tasks. More complicated the microcontroller is, the more blocks added to it by the manufacturers. A microcontroller might be like this type, or this type, or maybe this type of package. Whichever it is, I will discuss on the internal blocks of this microcontroller. Read-only memory. This is a permanent memory. Random access memory. This is volatile memory, means if power supply is interrupted, the memory loses its data. Arithmetic, logic, unit. All mathematical calculations done here. Analog to digital, converter. Voltage, comparator. Timers for external or internal counter. The timers are also used in PWM web form generation. Input-output ports. The microcontroller communicates with peripheral devices through these ports. Let's take an example to illustrate the matter how a microcontroller is used inside an electronic circuit. Suppose we want to charge a 12-volt rechargeable battery with a 20-volt DC source. We know a 12-volt battery has a charge cycle of 10 volt to 13.9 volt, so we should have at least a 20-volt DC source, a switch to turn on and off, and a voltmeter, okay, wiring. Now, whenever we switch on the system, charging will start. With this circuit, the battery will be overcharged as there is no overcharge protection at all. Let us take a look. You see, the battery is charged to nearly the source voltage, which is very fatal for this battery. Now, here's another example. Here, a microcontroller is used to charge the battery with overcharge protection. Here, battery voltage is continuously inspected by the microcontroller through pin number 23 with the help of a voltage divider circuitry. Whenever the battery voltage reaches to 13.9 volts, the microcontroller disable pin number 14, which in turn disable the relay, and simultaneously the battery will be disconnected from charging circuit. Okay, I will discuss on the software in my next video. Till then, subscribe my channel and stay tuned. Thank you for watching.